everybody, Acre Love Homestead here. So we're going to check on the baby chicks, see how they're doing. I can already see one that's kind of deceased down there. So let's see what we can do here. So for the most part, they're doing pretty well. I did lose two other ones, and it's these little bitty gray ones right here that I'm losing. Or not the gray ones, the blonde ones. But they have plenty of water. We need to give them their breakfast for the morning. So I'm not quite sure why I'm losing them. I did put vitamins in their water. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to actually, today whenever I refill, I'm going to put some sugar in there and see if that kind of keeps them a boost. They don't get cold, and it doesn't get too hot in this box. So I'm not sure what the issue is right now. But we need to get them some food. And their water should be fine. Just rinse it out some here. But they all seem to be doing great. Hopefully we make it, through the winter. I don't want to lose any more than what I actually have to. Because like I say, these are our roosters that I bought. Because I need to put some food in the freezer. So let's get them some food. So they are actually on a chick start. Oh, great. Where's my scoop? Oh, there it is. So they're on a chick start food. That's typically what you want to put your babies on. Get a great big scoop here. And this here is just a practice video. I'm trying to use my GoPro again. Because it's easier for me to carry around instead of using my phone on my stand. It's easier for me to carry around. But I'm trying to use this again. We'll see how it works out here. I gotta figure out how to get it loaded to my phone, or get it loaded to my phone, or get it loaded to the computer, because I don't have my Apple computer anymore. So this is just a little practice video.